everybody, welcome back to another episode of Master Chef. My name is Chef Aliza. You can only refer to me as Chef because I have 10 Michelin stars. I have my assistant here, Siegfried Ray Corporal. He is going to be my sous chef today. We're going to make chocolate butter mochi brownies. I already have all my ingredients prepped and ready. So we have this station, and this station. You can only refer to me as Chef. Anything else you call me, I will not respond to. Got it? Okay. We have to practice. Ready? Ziggy! Yes, Chef. Alright, so we're first gonna sift our dry ingredients right here. Ziggy, go.
What's a sieve?
Sift is you go like this. So first take your mochiko powder. Yeah, you dump it. Oh wait.
What does that do?
That's called sifting.
What was the point of that?
Excuse you, you're not part of the dialect. It's only us.
What is sugar?
Yes, sugar. Go sift it in. Slowly. There you go, there you go, there you go. This is cacao powder. Sift it real good. All right, you can go a little faster, bro. This is baking powder.
Double purpose.
Fast acting, double purpose. The chef rat said that you have to keep your station clean.
That's the girl, stupid.
Oh, okay, the girl who owns the chef rat. Next, we're gonna go ahead and start on our chocolate. Come on, Ziggy, hurry up! I have no time. All right, so you're gonna put in your melted butter. This is 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips.
Yes, Jeff!
I'm not Jeff, you dummy! Ziggy, you are standing out for all the wrong reasons. By the way, guys, it's currently 10:20 p.m., meaning we are making sweets at a very late hour. I suggest you don't make it at a late hour. We're just craving chocolate at the moment. You're too close. Social distance. Social distance. Oh my God. Take that. Good job. Hey! What are you doing, Xander?
What the hell are you doing?
Okay, all right.
Oh, can I taste?
Yeah.
Is it hot?
Kinda. Can you not show my feet? Thank you. You're going to mix in 1 can of evaporated milk. And then you're gonna take your coconut milk, your lightly beaten eggs.
Is this good?
Ziggy, now.
No! Oh my God! Stop sticking your finger into everything!
Stop. Excuse me, videographer. Your job is to only videograph, not to taste test any of our food. Xander! I will hit you with a spatula.
Yes.
So I'm just mixing all the ingredients in.
Yes, Jeff.
You're too close. You are the suckiest videographer in the world.
Ew.
This isn't good. We're gonna blame you.
You know what this tastes like out there?
What?
Champorado.
Oh my God, it does. To check if your oven is hot, all you have to do is just go inside. Put it in, and then we're just gonna wait for 55 minutes and it'll be done. All right, so 55 minutes has surpassed and now it's time to take out our mochi brownies. Put it out right here. And then we're just gonna let it rest. So it's been about 30 minutes or so. Our chocolate butter mochi is now set and cooled down. Ziggy's over here. We're watching Finding Dory. My sous chef is tired because it's almost midnight. We're gonna do a taste test and then go to sleep. So I'm just gonna cut her up. Whoa. Cheers.
Couldn't cut out the frame, it's focusing on you.
Because I'm beautiful. So different. It's like mushed up rice. Chocolate mushed up rice. Hope you guys enjoyed this this episode of a Master Chef. My name is Chef Aliza with 10 Michelin stars, and this is my sous chef Ziggy, who has 0.5 Michelin stars. I hope you guys enjoyed our video, and we'll see you in our next one. No, I do this.
No, I do it now.
Wait. Oh yeah, by the way, our videographer is gone because we fired him.
Okay, but we both do it.
Bye guys.